I've wanted to fucking do that my whole fucking life. I have a fucking headache from being so excited right now. What's going on, guys? It's Charles Cerrito again, out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're out here at Dream Racing, where I'm taking a quick vacation here with the beautiful Lexi behind me in the camera. I've got the Lamborghini Super Trofeo Evo body kit behind me that we're gonna take a couple laps in, but first, we're gonna take the brand new 2020 Chevrolet Corvette C8. I have never actually driven one. I've sat in a ton of them. I've seen a lot of prototypes and all that, but I've never gotten my hands on it. And I know a couple guys that want to buy one, so I definitely want to get some laps in that before I take this ridiculous monstrosity out. Again, guys, this is a Super Trofeo, so it is a real race car. It is not homologated for the road. It does have the Evo body kit on it, so it does get the scoop, and it gets some really aggressive canards in the front and the back. This car is about, these unregulated have about 670 horsepower to 700, which is a lot of power. It does not have the grip potential as the GT3 Huracan, but still, again, we're talking about a 200-mile-an-hour car on a pretty short racetrack here. So we should be able to get about 145 down the straight before we have to do max braking. And I'll probably psych myself out and do like the 200-meter zone, but I only got a couple laps in it. So I'm gonna try and push the last lap, but most part, I'm just out here having a good fucking time. This is awesome. Again, I wanna thank my customers for allowing me to be able to do stuff like that and provide content like this. So let's get it. Wow, it sounds good inside. I like it.
Brake hard and now shift to nice. Start turning near the curve. As you float to the right side, cruising gas. No gas, no brakes. Trust the car.
Trust the car.
Yeah.
Maintenance.
Bring the car near the curving. As the wheel goes straight, you float to the left, full gas. Nice. Brake. Turn right near the curving. Float to the left, the gas. Brake straight. Turn to a little more. Yeah, if you don't use brakes, buddy, that's what's gonna happen.
There it is. Okay.
Right side gas. Upshift. Brake. Turn. Release it. Keep it left side. Stay right near the curving. Here. Nice. Left side. Brake. Downshift. Turn. Release it. Nice and beautiful. Maintain your speed near the curve on the right side. Flow to the left. The gas all the way.
So nice.
It is, man. They came out so nice.
For $58,000, you can't beat it.
And it's funny because the C6 they were nice, the C7 they were nicer, and this over here is coming out like even better. If they put like 100 horsepower more, in the next one, and larger the tires a little bit more, I believe we're gonna get better.
I've wanted to fucking do that my whole fucking life. Wow. Oh my god.
Was it worth it?
That is the most incredible sound I've ever heard. This car is the craziest power band I've ever driven of any car. There's no power, no power, and it's like a fucking shifter car. It's like, bah, bah, and you're like, where did all that come from? I think the car might be detuned, but when it gets in that rev range, holy shit, does it just go? And I don't think we even got the tires hot, because I felt in the first 2 laps the car was pushing a little. I went maybe 4/10 out there, obviously not my car, but I see the fucking potential in this. This thing is a fucking machine. This is an animal. This is how this bitch looks is how it performs, if not better. I have a fucking headache from being so excited right now. So it's been about 5 minutes since I've been out of the car, kind of downloading a little, and that's not the exact one we drove. It's out there. They just took a lady for a hot lap, and hearing it from the outside, I can't believe I got to make those sounds in that. I mean, this place is called Dream Racing. That was a dream fucking come true. And I mean, wrapping it up, just keeping this short. I'm on vacation. This was just to have enjoyable, this is just to be enjoyable, not really to make something out of it. But the one thing I took away from this, I fucking want that. I want to work harder so I can have that. I don't want to rent it. I want to fucking drive that. I want to have it in my garage. If it's not that, then it's a Porsche Cup car, or it's a GT3 car. That's a little unreasonable. Maybe a GT4 car, but wow, there's nothing that can really. I mean, you can play any video game you want, and the video game kind of gives you that immersion and the sound effects and all that, but nothing can prepare you for how hard you got to turn that car and how hard you got to step on those brakes. You really got to commit. That car is all about commitment, from, I mean, as cheesy as it sounds, as going in the fucking corner to buying the thing. So I'm gonna go to the pool.